my heart, my lovely baby. Good evening. We've had numerous reports today of a hefty man attacking many people. He'll attack little kids and bystanders who just happen to be running. If you see this hefty man, there will be a hefty sum for his return and or death. We have a few clips here that you might want to see to identify the man. If you've seen him, please alert the local authorities. Oh my god! That's the guy who chased me!
Ah, me gusta los trains. Ay, mi phone. Hola. Ah, my gun. What is up? Oh. Whoa, that is terrible news. Well, I guess we'll have to find him. Well, okay. Let's hunt him.
Alright, Mike Hunt here. And we're gonna be hunting this mother licka. And we really got a strategy. What's our strategy?
Well, we are going to chase him down and just kill him with our weapons, such as my rubber chicken and his baseball. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Here, and to catch this, whatever it is, we're gonna use this noose and cacti. The plan is, when he reaches for the cacti, his whole entire head will go through this. Alright? And when he pulls the cactus away, the noose will come up, and then we caught him. See that? It's Mike Hunter here, and we are on our first day of stakeout, and I really don't see him, but oh, there he is, oh, look, it's going to work, it's going to work. No, Mike, no, you can't win, no. They took my gun? Yeah. I guess I will have to find him. I had so many enchiladas to make this adventure difficult. Let's go. What is this place? This is the lair or something? Cement and doesn't even look like a jungle. I bet that he is in that cave over there. That looks like somewhere someone like him might hide. 93.6. I told the cameraman that it was too dangerous to complete this mission with him. So I would have to swim across the lake, because that's a long walk around and I really don't want to do that. So I'll swim across the lake with the camera, and it will be very difficult, but I can do it. So let's go to the cave. Oh, that's a little chilly. Gonna get some shrinkage tonight.
What? Is that good? No!
Oh, this is getting pretty deep. Oh, is this? Oh, it's my gun. I don't save you. The mask. What is it? What is it? Tell me. Tell me.
Water. No. It's your jazz. It's your jazz. series too long and my ratings on TV have gone down, so I'm gonna kick your... Bring it up! Get up! Get up!
We did it! We captured him! These things won't freaking come off! Today, this is it. We got this guy. This is Hugh Jazz. We got you.
You haven't heard of the last of me. I'll return once I get out of prison.
You're in the freaking spider web of doom.
You are not going to prison. We are going to stuff you and make you a trophy by my fireplace.
No!